Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys infinix phone screen timeout guys. How can we change and how can we use once we want to change guys your infinix phone guys phone screen timeout settings. So how can we change? Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will search here guys phone screen timeout guys. And screen timeout guys, we will search here guys. Friends, you can see guys phone screen timeout setting guys, we will tap here. And friends, direct guys, you can change guys your screen timeout from here. So we will change into a 15-second example for. So guys, wait for only 15 seconds guys. Don't tap on your screen for 15 seconds guys. Phone will off automatic guys. You can see guys, screen will off automatic. Wait and watch. And friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your phone if it's phone setting guys? You can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you friends. You can see after 15 seconds guys, your screen will off automatic in your infinix phone device. So like that guys, you can change guys your infinix phone screen timeout. So bye guys.